Okay, so I'm gonna open up my January ScrawlrBox for 2020. I'm so excited to see what's in here. And last month was so much fun, December. And so I'm excited to see what's in here. Just gotta get this tape open. They always like seal it shut. Weep. Oh, I'm so excited to see what's in here. Let's look at this stuff first. Okay, so the little thingamajiggy, this really cool piece of art that I think I'm supposed to learn what it looks like. And this is what the artist is about and who the artist is. And that's really cool. It kind of looks like a flower right there, a sunset. It's cool, colorful. Oh, I think that's sandpaper. But I'm just gonna open this up with a pretty little sticker. Oh my gosh, I like this sticker. I love that. Okay, anyway, first thing looks like I have pastels. Let's see. Sweet, I have, wait, are these pastels? Let's see. The first thing is, yep, it's a half stick set. It looks like really deserty colors, because that's what it's called. Woo, I'm excited. The next thing, oh, it's the candy. Okay, this is strawberry flavored dipper, chewy caramel. Strawberry caramel? Okay. And it looks like I got 3 colored pencils. Let's see what these are. These are design pastel pencils. As with watercolor, it's helpful to use pencils to add finer details to your work. So these are pencils to use with watercolor, it looks like, but I'm using them with pastels today. So I got a red 31, a blue 50, and a pastel 36. Oops. Okay, let's see. This looks like they gave me 2 pieces of paper. Oh, these are watercolor paper, but this side, it's like sandpaper. There's a tan one and a gray one, but this is the watercolor side. It's weird because I don't think it tells me anything about, oh yes, it does, it's cased in watercolor. And the challenge for this month is reflective skies. Okay, well, let's see what I'll make for that. So I start drawing my picture. And so reflective skies was kind of hard, and it took me a very, very long time to think of what to draw. Took me a couple days. So anyway, I started drawing the sunset with my pastels and the silhouette of a bridge over water, because that water reflects the skies. So I did that. I'm very bad at pastels, so this is not going to turn out very good. And I don't really enjoy using pastels, but this was very colorful, so it was fun. And it took me so long to make. Anyway, the pastels were very smooth, nice, and the pencils were amazing. They're so smooth, and they're just awesome in every way. The paper was good, but I was drawing on the wrong side. The other side is like sandpaper. This side's like watercolor paper. And I read on the thing after I drew it all that you're supposed to use the sandpaper side, not the watercolor side. So I messed up. But it's okay, it turned out pretty good. I just went in, I cheated a little bit with a white marker to try to get rid of all these spots on the side, but it didn't really work so well because it's very messy. And decided to write this down. And that is my picture. I like the products, it's very nice. Well, that's it for me. Now it's your turn.